Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Do Bengali. I hope you guys are safe and staying at home. Video start होने से पहले I would request you guys to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on anything. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys something that I have learned over the years. I have always used art to express how I feel. For a matter of fact, I've learned how to draw before I could write. So without further ado, let's start with today's video. Ayushmann is one of my favorite Bollywood actors. It started with Vicky Donor, and after watching Andhadhun, I wanted to pay my respect, and what better way than sketching him. So here it goes. I start with basic outline of the picture which you can see in this video already. So for this piece, I thought of keeping everything simple and black and white. The trick with black and white sketches is to understand the value of black and white, which means where to apply the color black and where to put shades of grey or white. Particularly in this piece, what I found hard to sketch was the beard, as I had to individually highlight the strands. And finally, the sketch is taking shape now. I'm happy with what I have done, and I hope this sketch does justice to Ayushmann. And I will patiently wait for his next movie. Miss World 1994. After all these years, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is still one of the most beautiful women in the world. Not only in Bollywood, but she is a world-renowned celebrity. So let's start with her sketch. In this particular piece, different values of skin color was used to bring out the gradient that you see. So I thought of keeping the background dark, which gave a dynamic feel to the portrait. Similarly, I used dark brown for the shadows, hair, and used a blending brush to blend it out with the skin tone and also highlights so that I could individually highlight the hair as light fell on it. The hard part about this piece was to do the eyelashes. It took a bit of time, however, I was able to complete them to my satisfaction. So towards the end, as you can see, the final product looks pretty well. I'm especially happy with how the hair turned out with the highlights, the eyes, and the overall structure of the picture. I hope you guys like it as well. A successful model, a brilliant actress, the next person needs no introduction. Chitrangada, an icon among Indian actresses, has wooed us with her acting for many a year. So here's my sketch of hers. The part of this picture that I struggled the most with was the shadow that was casting under her neck. It's a dark brown shade and it was a bit tricky. However, at the end, I was able to get the results that I wanted. For the hair, I used a hairbrush, and it's always recommended that you go as per your free flowing hair rather than replicating what is in the picture. It comes out a lot nicer and better. Another part where I struggled a bit was to get the gold color and the highlights on her earrings. But uh, as a whole, I did like how it came out. And yeah, let's continue with the video. So towards the end, I used some white color to accentuate her lips, her cheeks, and her nose as to give more dynamic feel towards the portrait.
So here you go, another video from Do Bengali. Hope you guys enjoyed it. For more of such interesting content, we would definitely want your inputs. So don't forget to put a comment and keep watching Do Bengali. Bye!